All-One Motor Rally here, and today we're going to be doing the review on the short shifter. Basically, it's not really a review, but it's actually a test drive. First time driving it after putting it in. We're going to do a little blast up this national speed limit road here. I can't see. I'm going to try it. I've driven here and it feels really good. So let's get straight, let's go. So nice. Now I want to do it one more time. I want to do that one more time. This short shifter, oh, it feels so, it's a lot more satisfying, if I say so myself. Like, it's actually really satisfying. Let's go. Oh, this short shifter is so nice. It's so worth it. I mean, I did miss a gear on the previous run. I missed it. Oh, I didn't miss it. It's just, oh, what the hell is happening here then? I didn't miss it. I mean, I got stuck. But I mean, oh, this short shifter is so nice. It's a highly recommend for me. Tactical racing, you've done it again. You've actually done it again. Tactical bonnet struts are so good. And then now this, oh, it's so nice. It's not even a race modification either. so nice, man. Like the shifts, they're just on point. Like when you get used to it, they are literally all on point, and it's just so nice. Like that feeling of, and it clicks in, right? It feels like it actually clicks in, which is really, really satisfying. I highly recommend it. The MGC or the TESCO, they install directly the same. So please check out the installation video. Oh, it's like it clicks. It clicks in. I'm actually really excited. I'm actually really happy about that. Like the way it just clicks. Oh, it just clicks in. Oh, it's so nice.